What's up, guys? Oh, that ain't even how I act. What's up, y'all? Let me put the camera down, baby. What, baby? Let it cry. Can you go home? Hey, y'all. So we are going to do a house. Gotta be quiet because he's trying to go to sleep. We're going to do a house unboxing, Amazon unboxing video. So first, let me pose or something. Okay. All this Amazon stuff is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 boxes. I think, if I can right. If not, oh well. I think 1, 2, 3. Dang, every time I turn around, I forget where I'm at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. So that's my desk. It's the new L-shaped desk. I'm not even gonna open it because I'm not gonna put it together right now. So I've been waiting to open this stuff for the video. This is boob tape for my wig. If you know, you know. Yeah. Crazy, that's the first thing I opened because that's why I was like, let me go ahead and do the video because I need to use the tape. No, the first thing I opened. Anywho. I'm excited about this. The electric salt and pepper shaker. The one where you just do it upside down and it come out. Fancy. I got an assistant over here talking. This is actually a comforter set for Peyton, but she already has this. We went to the store and found this, a similar one to this actually. So I'm gonna send this back. It looks exactly like this. It's like Christmas when you get Amazon stuff. It's like Christmas. This is their new chalk wall. No, this is not. This is our black peel and stick. Peyton, turn it off. This is our black peel and stick wallpaper for our room. And this is some glow in the dark dinosaurs for Legends room. Peyton has something else. Mom, we got paper. This Peyton. Stop. Stop it. Stop. This is, I think, Peyton's wallpaper. And that's pink. And this is Yaya's. It's like pink and white stripe. It's gonna be super cute. And then this is the chalk wall. And this is another chalkboard peel and stick wall. And this is all the tools to put it up, make it easier to put up. It's like you forget what you ordered. Because I don't know what half of this stuff is, honestly. Sorry, y'all fell down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about it. Is it not tight? I thought it was tight. Oh, can make it looser. Y'all alright? Okay. So so we got a lounge chase, and I got a black cover to go over it because our room is supposed to be like black stained with tints of gold. And then this is Peyton's glow in the dark wall. But I'm gonna use the butterflies, hearts out here, stars, because her room is like princess themed, so I probably won't use the unicorn and stuff. Or I may, because she's a kid. Forgot I ordered this. I'm supposed to start putting this in our food. But it's just some black seed oil. This is supposed to be really good for you. So that has to go in the kitchen. Supposed to be really good for you. And then I bought Daryl some coffee. He loves coffee, so I got him to go coffee cups with the, like, if you can see, the cup has, stop Peyton. The cup has the little grip already on it, and then some tops as well. We got 3 more. What's in here? This one is packaged. Look at this. Oh, I bought like a holder, so he'll be able to like spin it. It spins. It's gonna have the cups, the tops, some regular cups that we use, and something else. I'm most excited about this. Extra. But it's a clear, I'm gonna show y'all when I put it up. I might show y'all in this video, like after I go put it up. But it's a knife holder. It's supposed to be like clear and acrylic and look extra cute, extra nice. And then this one. Well, yeah. What is this? Oh, I ordered the kids some. These cups are supposed to be really good. And I think, yeah, they have straws. So they have tops, they have straws. I'm trying to show y'all the cup, but everything on top, it seems like it's tops. They have grips on them because I want to start juicing. And like, these are the cups. They have the tops and they also have grips, different color grips. Okay. No. Welcome to the neighborhood. If you want to be a part of the neighborhood, join the neighborhood, just subscribe to your girl. Because we got more coming. Different stuff coming, honey. Kids interrupting. They don't want me to be great. They don't want my video to be great. But yeah, we got more coming. So subscribe, join the hood. Because I'm sure you don't want to be a part of the neighborhood watch. Who wants to be a part of the neighborhood watch? Let me go get these kids situated. Welcome to the neighborhood.
The baddest say, put it on, make them mad today. Say these hoes ain't got nothing on the shade. Super glue make them stay in their place. We gon' rob them, no mask, okay. You too pretty to hide your face. Rent is due and the bills is late.